guys, it's Tuesday morning. I'm on my way to work and here is everything that I'm taking with me today. It looks like a lot, but it's not. So first of all, the beverages. I have my usual coffee here. I have 2 Nespresso capsules for 0 smart points, and I have 4 tablespoons of Dairy Star fat-free half and half for 1 smart point. So coffee is 1 point. My tea this morning is going to be the Teeny Skinny. I've got that in the bottom of my tumbler already, and I'm going to take this to work and use hot water from work. So it is the Teeny Skinny. 1 teaspoon is 0 smart points, and then I'm going to add some fresh lemon juice as well. That's how I like my tea. So Teeny Skinny is 0 points, coffee is 1 point. My wrap today for lunch is going to be at 3 o'clock, and I have here an Olay Extreme Wellness Wrap on the bottom. This is the high fiber, low carb Extreme Wellness Wrap for 1 smart point. And then on top of that, I have some hummus. It's the Trader Joe's eggplant hummus. I have 2 tablespoons of hummus for 1 point, but you can have up to 3 tablespoons of this eggplant hummus for 1 point. It's one of the lowest point hummuses that I'm aware of. So anyway, I just have 2 tablespoons for 1 point. And then this is a mix of roasted vegetables and sweet potatoes that I had left over in the freezer. So I'm counting 1 point for the roasted vegetables because of the sweet potatoes. So my roasted vegetable hummus wrap is 1, 2, 3 smart points. And I'm going to be having that with this sparkling ice, what is this, strawberry lemonade, 0 smart points. And then this Intakt crunchy cheese lover, it's like little cheese snacks, crunchy cheese snacks, oregano flavored. This came in the My Keto Snack Box, so I'm going to try these out today and I'll let you guys know how they taste. These are 3 smart points. So everything I'm going to have today before dinner is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 smart points. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. It's my long day. 1 job down and 1 to go. Today was super busy at work today, but I loved it. I like it so much better when there's stuff to do and things are just rolling. It's super busy, but it's not stressful busy. So I like that. And I hope things continue through the holidays because things get really slow at Disney, this section of Disney during the holidays. So I'm crossing my fingers that we're cranking up for something. I don't want stress at work, but I want busy. So it was a very good day at work today. And headed to Weight Watchers now to work as a guide. I am not doing, I'm not weighing in today because if I don't weigh in today, then I can weigh in on Sunday. I'm trying to transfer my weigh-in days now officially from Tuesday to Sunday. The thing is, I need to get my butt out of bed on Sunday to go and weigh in. So that's my plan right now. I am up in weight, and I know I am. I'm just like stress eating again. And I'm doing that stress eating at night. I need to stop. It's catching up to me, and between that and the whole like holidays thing, I need to get myself in gear. So no weigh-in for me today. I'm telling you, I seriously do not feel like doing my 5K today either, so I might take a walk 5K today, which is what I did yesterday. I just used my walking steps, which added up to a 5K. It's been a super long day. I'm super busy, super stressed. I'm gonna be tired after work. I don't feel like running a 5K, so I'm gonna give myself another day of grace and hopefully at least get the steps to make a 5K. I also don't know what's for dinner because I had planned to have salad at home, but I don't feel like doing that either. I feel like salmon salad, so I may go ahead and have salmon salad, and I'll show you guys after work what I'm having. Okay, meeting is over. I was happy to see not as many as we normally get, but a decent sized meeting tonight, and people actually had weight losses as well after Thanksgiving, so that makes me super happy for them. I did not weigh in. I wasn't really even tempted this time, so I know that I have some work ahead of me. I wanted to tell you guys what I thought about those little cheese crunchy snacks, the Intakt, I think is what they're called, crunchy cheese snacks. I ended up eating only half the bag because they were very salty for one thing. They tasted
they tasted like they were supposed to be oregano flavored. So they were salty, but they tasted like cheese, but they were also kind of cardboardy-ish, if that makes sense. Like not cardboard kind of flavor, but also I could taste the oregano, I could taste the cheese, but just maybe the consistency is what was just like cardboard to me. So I'm not a huge fan. I will probably eat the rest of them at some point, but it's not something that I would personally buy. So I just wanted to let you guys know what I thought of that. I am on my way to go have salmon salad because it sounds delicious, and I just want to relax and not really do a lot, which means that I am missing out on my both my 1 mile a day and my 5K for today, and I'm okay with that because I'm literally just exhausted mentally and physically, and I want to take a break. And so I'm giving myself that break, I'm giving myself that grace. I don't know about tomorrow because I'm supposed to go to a movie tomorrow. If I have the energy to do my run tomorrow, then I will. But I'm also just standing back and looking at the big picture and letting myself have some time as well. So I feel like there's, in everything we do, it's so important to have balance, and I am the worst at balance. I am so black and white, all or nothing. So in this example, I'm not done with this challenge. I am not done at all with either the 5K challenge or the 1 mile a day challenge, but I'm stepping back, looking at the big picture, giving myself a little grace, and giving myself some balance in the whole scope of things. So that's where I'm at today with my exercise. So trying to keep things pretty tame with my food as well. So I'll show you guys my salmon salad again when I get it.